Living a healthy life is an endeavor to integrate into a positive lifestyle, fostering robust physical health and fluid mental well-being. However, there are common pitfalls that can hinder the achievement of this goal. Excessive work and lack of sleep can induce stress, affecting both mental and overall health. Fast-paced and sugar-rich diets pose threats to health, leading to weight gain, increased risk of heart disease, and diabetes. Insufficient physical activity and a sedentary lifestyle can result in fatigue and reduce the body's ability to combat illnesses. Conversely, overconsumption of stimulants such as caffeine and processed foods can impact sleep and mental health. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are also detrimental lifestyles. To maintain good health, it is crucial to establish a balanced lifestyle, including a well-rounded diet, regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and stress management. Limiting exposure to harmful substances and fostering positive social relationships are equally essential factors in creating a healthy, energetic life.